Hello there, my name is Elvin Box, and I work in London, England as an organisation development consultant. I am also privileged to be the chair of London Constructing Excellence. On Thursday, the 5th of November from 3 till 5:30 p.m. EET, please join me for the Innovation Workshop on System Thinking and Technology as Innovation Enablers in Construction and Real Estate. I can promise it will be a highly interactive, fast-paced workshop in which we shall review and discuss both theory and practice of technology and innovation in construction and real estate. The workshop will cover 1. Demystifying innovation with an overview of its backstory, covering the types, sources, theories and stages of innovation, plus innovation's life cycle. Secondly, the vital role played by creativity in organisational innovation. Third, why both design thinking and systems thinking are essential for innovation to thrive. Fourth will be the huge impact technology continues to have in generating radical innovation. Fifth, and finally, how technology is fast gaining traction in UK construction and the positive impact it is having upon the life cycle of real estate. I am really looking forward to this event. See you there.